Ayan, coffee in the morning, pangpagising ng tulog na katawan. Ayan, that's for daddy. And this is my coffee. Creamy coffee ang sa akin dahil ayoko nang masyadong matapang. And then we have our scrambled eggs. Dahil ang ating breakfast ngayon ay Filipino breakfast. So I added just ground black pepper and salt sa ating eggs, and then naglagay tayo ng butter sa kawali, and then just like that, pre-fried na natin yung ating eggs. And then, nagpa-fry din tayo ng garlic rice. So, siyempre, butter pa rin sa kawali natin. And then, i-add natin yung rice. And then, mag-add tayo ng powdered na garlic. And then, a bit of salt. So, fried lang natin yan hanggang sa mag-incorporate yung ating ingredient. Diba? Nabulol pa ako dun Incorporate. Okay na. So, ayan. Yan yung ating breakfast. And then, meron tayong bacon. Yes, na-fried ko na kanina yung bacon. So, hindi ko na siya naipakita sa inyo. And then, naglagay ako ng kaunting soy sauce. Sweet soy sauce yan actually. And then, we have leftover na hot dogs. And then, we have our tomatoes and cucumber. So, ayan na yung ating Filipino breakfast. Ayan. Kain na tayo guys. I hope na kumain na din kayo. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. See you on my next vlog. Thank you. Bye. Breakfast na tayo. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.